All right, morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Morning.
How you doing? What? I'm busy. So working on Joey's Mustang today. That bad boy thing is going in today. All right, we got another special guest today. Say hi, Devin.
Hi.
So yeah, we're gonna work on getting the motor in right now. Well, I got the motor mounts right there. So
The last video you guys saw Xander putting the pan on,
yeah.
a bunch of other things, prime the oil system, got the valve covers on. It's ready to roll.
Yeah, he's down for this one. So, yep, we're gonna get off the motor stand there. We're gonna get the motor mounts on and lift it in.
You know what that means when this comes off the stand?
No, I don't have a motor put on it.
No, we can pull Ken's motor next week. And then finish his front suspension because it's easier to get to that stuff with the motor out of it and clean everything in there because it's disgusting.
You're disgusting. Well, we don't say anything.
You've lived with me, you know.
Yeah, never mind.
Nasty!
No, we ain't talking about that right now. Anyways, all right, guys, we'll get back on top of
Remember
here.
when we had a competition?
Hey, whoa, 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 whoa. There's kids here this time.
No, what kind of competition?
What, say that again?
What kind of competition?
The adult kind.
Oh, yeah.
Okay? Love you, buddy. All right, guys. Well, Xander, what do we say?
Tomorrow.
See you on the next one? Yeah, something like that.
Oh, you're tightening. You're tightening.
Yeah, flip it around, dude.
There you go.
So we even got the little man working on
Learning.
taking some bolts out for the engine stand. We got it on the engine hoist. Like this. But he's learning little by little bit. There you go. Remember, put one hand here to press it on there, keep it on there, and then pull down. We don't believe in no child laws. I mean, just kidding. That's my
This
son.
is how they learn.
Yeah.
When they sit in the AC playing the Xbox all day, they're going to get a flat tire one day and be like, I know what I'm doing. This kid's going to be able to pull
he's
a motor
special.
on the side of the freeway.
Yep.
Same with Carson, same with that kid over there, same with Riley. Because
Yep.
they're learning. Even though Carson does need to get his head out of the damn Xbox. Talking to you, child.
I know, we know you like to play the Xbox too, but at least if you get out and do stuff like this, it's good for you.
Well, I still go on iRacing and race against Xander, so I'm just like them. I'm little too.
Don't say it.
Not gonna say.
Don't say it. Anyways.
It's in a lot of our other videos.
Good job, buddy. Here, let me have that one.
You do that one. You do that one.
You want me to do that one?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. I just doing it.
All the salt for you.
But see, it's not going to fall. You know why? See that right there? See the chain?
Yeah.
It's held up. But yes, I'll do the other one. I appreciate you getting the 3 bolts. I'll do the last one. But what do we say to YouTube?
Bye.
All right, guys. Motor mounts are on there loosely so we can have a little play, get in the holes in the engine bay, but the motor is getting ready to go in. Yay. Yay, huh?
Yep.
You gonna help us guide it? Okay, we gotta be careful. We can't hit the fenders, the grill, nothing. Okay? So you can be the spotter, okay? Does that sound good? All right. Well, guys, that's a quick little update. Next little clip, we'll actually have this thing sit in the engine bay. Later.
Devin, are you supervising?
You're supposed to be watching.
Are you telling them what to do?
Make sure we don't hit nothing, okay?
I don't hit nothing.
Can we go forward, dude? A little bit?
Yeah.
And remember, on these, you just kind of got to dance that oil pan over and then in.
Right there?
Go up a little. Ooh, this is a good one.
Go forward?
It's gonna be close, Xander. Like, you're gonna want it to like almost scrape over that core support. Like, he's gonna have to come up a little bit.
Yeah.
And then what I like to do is I like to turn the engine, bring it in, and then set it down and turn it back. Like that. There you go. Because that way it helps you clear it, and you kind of dance it in.
I think I should.
Damn, Xander, that could be your Instagram picture. Then all the ladies will be like, look at him, he's manly.
I already have a girlfriend.
I know you have a girlfriend, but you can have...
Throw the front of the engine towards you.
What's wrong with having 4? Right? Why have 1 when you can have 7? Just kidding. 1's a pain in the ass as it is, I already know.
You got that? I just go ahead and get pushed from the side.
Alright. You can go in about 3 more inches. Now come down a little. And then turn. There you go, you're almost touching. Xander, when it comes down, give it a little spin, okay?
Yeah. Ready? Yeah.
Look at that, boys. That's how it's done, gentlemen.
Go down the chest.
Down and back and down and back and down and back and down and back.
Okay, you ready to go back?
And boots and pants and boots and pants.
Make sure you don't hit the hood.
You're hitting it.
That's the hose, it's okay. When the metal stuff hits it, that's when you worry.
Go back a little bit more. Ready to go down? Yeah. Watch your fingers, alright?
The camera looks like it's touching it.
I know.
What about that thing? We don't want to hit that thing. Oh, with the AC compressor? Yeah.
Yeah, you might want to pull that out of there.
Put the phone down. Come home, please. Please.
These guys act like I'm here to work. I'm not. I'm supposed to be just pretty.
Not today, Satan. Come on, get over here, butthead.
Hey, boys. What would old Kenny Brown say?
In like a tall dog?
In like a tall dog.
Okay, I'm gonna set this. Oh, no.
Yeah, we might go that later.
Well, I just want to say, because I'm not gonna come and fuck with this until later.
Later?
Yeah.
Not right now,
No. So just set that right
Put
there.
the nuts on the bottom. It's in, boys. All right.
Got the engine in.
I can do that when it's up in the air.
Well, no, because we should put it in there because it could tip.
Can they? Okay.
Yeah, so put the nuts on it. Yeah.
I'm sorry, Jen.
All right.